GoPro's story is a classic tale of entrepreneurial spirit, innovation, and ultimately, challenges. Once the top choice for adventurers, athletes, and thrill seekers capturing the world's most exhilarating moments, GoPro initially reached billions in revenue. However, the journey took a sharp downturn, and today, the company has lost much of its former edge. Its stock dropped from a peak of $86 to a low of $1.30, with a 33% chance of bankruptcy. So, what went wrong? Is there still hope for a comeback? To understand the rise and struggles of GoPro, let's go back to its beginnings. GoPro was founded in 2002 by Nick Woodman, inspired by a frustrating surf trip to Australia where he couldn't find an affordable waterproof camera. Determined to create a solution, Nick developed a prototype using a 35mm film camera strapped to his wrist. The first commercial product, the Hero, was launched in 2004, generating $150,000 in sales that year. After a successful appearance on QVC in 2005, where he sold 3,000 units in minutes, GoPro's popularity soared. By 2012, with $526 million in revenue, it had become the go-to brand for adventurers, thanks to its compact, durable, and user-friendly cameras. GoPro continued to innovate, launching the first GoPro video camera, the Digital Hero in 2006, and the HD Hero in 2010, capable of shooting 1080p video. The company went public in June 2014 with a valuation near $3 billion, and its stock soared to $98.47. GoPro's growth was fueled by a large, dedicated fan base and the rise of social media, where users shared thrilling footage, establishing GoPro as more than just a camera brand. With rapid expansion, the company doubled its workforce, and Nick Woodman awarded himself an impressive $285 million salary, making him the highest-paid CEO in America at that time. GoPro aimed to go beyond cameras, aspiring to become a major player in media. Nick envisioned GoPro as a content company and brought in executives from top media brands like HBO and Hulu to lead the transformation. GoPro even launched channels on Xbox Live and Roku, featuring content with Olympic athletes and musicians. However, the media division didn't generate any revenue, and mounting costs forced Nick to close it down in 2017, leaving behind a costly setback. The company's troubles began around 2015 as critical missteps compounded. The Hero 4 session, released in 2015, was poorly received due to its high price and confusing design. GoPro cut prices, resulting in a $13 million loss, and faced a lawsuit from Polaroid over patent issues, which further strained finances. Meanwhile, smartphones with increasingly high-quality video began eating into GoPro's market. Seeking new opportunities, GoPro turned to drones. They initially proposed a partnership with DJI, the leading drone manufacturer, suggesting a profit-sharing agreement. However, GoPro demanded 2/3 of the profits, which DJI rejected. GoPro pressed on with its own drone, launching the Karma in 2015. Unfortunately, the Karma faced significant problems, with units losing power mid-flight. Just 16 days post-launch, GoPro had to recall the drones and eventually shut down its drone division in 2018. The failed venture cost the company over $217 million in development and marketing. Following the Karma setback, GoPro slashed its research and development budget from $358.9 million in 2016 to $153.8 million by 2019. While this reduced costs short-term, it limited GoPro's ability to innovate, and the company fell behind competitors. Insta360, for example, launched a 4K 360-degree action camera in 2017, and while GoPro responded with the Fusion, it was $300 more expensive and didn't capture significant market share. As GoPro's revenue fell, the company had to lay off employees, and its stock dropped below $10 by 2018. The launch of the Hero 7 in 2018 brought some relief with improved stabilization features that won back some customers. Subsequent releases, including the Hero 8 and Hero 9, brought incremental improvements, but these weren't enough to restore the company's former glory. With limited innovation, GoPro's reliance on hardware sales constrained its long-term profitability. In an effort to revitalize the company, GoPro set two main goals: increase revenue and improve profit margins. It began selling directly through its website, offering discounts, and introduced a subscription service, GoPro Plus, providing cloud storage and other perks for $99 a year. This shift was promising, helping GoPro return to profitability by 2021, with a record cash balance of $539 million in 2022. However, the success may have come too late to restore GoPro's dominance. Despite 2 years of profitability, GoPro faced new financial difficulties in 2023, reporting a $53 million loss. While camera sales rose by 6% and GoPro Plus subscriptions grew by 12%, falling prices posed challenges. As the action camera market matured, customers increasingly opted for cheaper models, pushing GoPro's average selling price down from $378 in 2022 to $337 in 2023. Lower prices significantly reduced profit margins from 37.2% to 32.2%, resulting in a notable revenue decline. GoPro also faced mounting customer service and quality issues. On sites like SiteJabber, the company has a low 1.5-star rating, with complaints about camera malfunctions and poor support. One customer shared, "On my first dive, the camera leaked and was ruined. Customer service only offered me a discount on a new one." Additionally, as smartphones became more capable, they began replacing GoPro cameras for many users. CEO Nick Woodman acknowledged, "We failed to modernize GoPro and connect it with the smartphone trend." GoPro's customer service challenges persist, especially with the subscription service. One subscriber shared, "There's no way to call them directly. The number just sends you back to the website. Don't pay for a subscription. You won't get a refund if you cancel." Such complaints highlight ongoing issues GoPro faces in providing reliable service, especially for its subscription-based offerings. Once a leader in action cameras, GoPro's market cap has dwindled to $200 million. While the company has made changes and adapted its strategy, it remains uncertain if these efforts will be enough to halt the decline. Without stronger innovation and improved customer support, GoPro risks fading into obscurity. The big question now is, can GoPro overcome its challenges, or will it become yet another example of a tech giant that couldn't keep up with the times? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and stay tuned to our channel for updates.